the best bread I ever had in my life.
Best bread you ever had in this life. You heard the child.
He never had the buttery croissants from Cheddar's. Now he knows.
This is a 5-boss.
We're gonna make our own buttery bread at the fancy restaurant Chassons.
This is a final boss meal.
But when you say it, they're gonna say Chasson. Chasson Family Kitchen.
You lower the volume on your
Hey, listen,
voice.
the fans gotta hear you. They can't hear you when you whisper.
This is a final boss. Wouldn't eat.
Wow.
Who's gonna come out? Somebody gotta come out. Who's gonna come out to interrupt?